They are pigmented, they are blendable, and their products are really affordable. This is one of those makeup fixing sprays that's gonna keep your makeup in place all day long. Let me show you how much I've used this bad boy. It is gross, but it's also very satisfying at the same time. I was like, you know what? Take my money. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys have read already by the title of this video, today's video is gonna be another monthly favorites. Guys, I cannot even believe that it's May already. Like, it's the 5th month of the year. Time is going by so fast. It is just insane to me. It is quite mind-boggling, to be honest. But anyways, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some favorites of mine, and I do not have a lot of products. I almost start crying whenever I edit my talk through videos because there's just so much stuff that I talk about which is basically unnecessary, like what I'm doing right now. But anyways, in case if you guys want to know what my favorite products are, then please continue watching. Before I jump into the video, in case if you're stumbling upon my channel for the very first time, hi, my name is Marjorie. I make beauty related content here on my channel, and if that's your cup of tea, then make sure that you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that you guys are notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, without any further ado, let's continue with the video. You guys, my makeup today looks so bad. I saw a makeup inspo online and I was trying to recreate it, but clearly I failed. Also, this eyelash is drooping niche. I don't know why. Like I mentioned earlier, there's not a lot of products, and surprisingly I mostly have skincare products because last month my skin was going through something. Also you guys, it's so hot. Sipping on this cold coffee is like heaven. Thank God to ACs and the person who invented AC, because this heat is killing me, and normally I'm not someone who complains about heat. Okay, so let's go through makeup products. So the first one are these blushes by K Beauty. These are the K Beauty Creme blushes. I have it in two different shades, Cozy Coral and Flirty Nude. You already know my love and obsession for blushes. I feel like there's not even one favorite video of mine where I've not mentioned a blush. Every month whenever I shop for makeup, I make sure that I at least get one blush. That's how obsessed I am with blushes. But anyways, I have made a dedicated video reviewing this bad boy on my channel, so I'm gonna leave it somewhere on the screen and in my description box below for you guys to check it out. All in all, I love these blushes. They are pigmented, they are blendable, they set to this really soft matte finish on your skin. Lasts on me for good 4 to 5 hours, which for a cream blush like this is a very good staying power, especially for someone like me who has more of an oily skin. In fact, this is the blush that I have on my cheeks right now, and I did a little bit of blush draping if I'm not wrong. So I applied the Cozy Coral here on my cheek area and then the shade Flirty Nude mainly around this area, and it gave me such a beautiful flush of color. I cannot do without these blushes. These are so good. They are expensive, yes, but in case if you have the budget and you can invest in at least one of these blushes, I'm sure you're gonna get more. These are that good. I love them. I am obsessed with them, and I cannot recommend this blush to you guys enough. Next up, I have this makeup fixer right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Relove Power Fix Fixing Mist. I think Relove is like a sister brand of Makeup Revolution. Their products are really affordable. I have spoken about their baby tints in my past favorite videos. Since we are in summers, something like this comes really handy, especially for someone like me who's extremely oily. This is one of those makeup fixing sprays that's gonna keep your makeup in place all day long. I need to warn you guys that this spray has alcohol in it, so do not use it regularly. Only use it on days when you know you want your makeup to last all day long, because alcohol can dry out your skin, and that is one of the reasons why it tends to lock your makeup in place, because it has alcohol, which is pretty much the second ingredient. So yeah, the alcohol is pretty strong in here, but thank God you cannot smell the alcohol in it. It has a very pleasant watermelon fragrance, which I really like. I like to spray this all over my face and then do my base makeup. Honestly, I'm not really a huge fan of setting sprays, because the ones that I've tried in the past, they didn't help prolong the wear of my makeup. So I was like, yeah, it's just one additional step. Why to even do it? But this bad boy right here has changed my perception about setting sprays, and I would definitely want to look into more setting sprays so that, you know, I can see what works for my skin type. So yeah, highly recommend you guys checking this one out. Okay, Next up is a product that I forgot to mention in my last favorites video, so I'm just gonna quickly mention this bad boy in this favorites because it does deserve all the love and attention. So the product that I've been really loving for my hair is this one right here by Dove. Oh my god, you guys, let me show you how much I've used this bad boy. There's very little product left in here. I've used Dove shampoos and conditioners, but I wasn't really a huge fan of it. I was in a desperate need of a hair mask, so I just bought this in a whim, and oh my god, it was the best impulsive purchase of my life. This hair mask right here is magic. It makes your hair so silky smooth. It makes your hair really manageable, conditions your hair deeply, and you can notice the way that it, makes your hair really manageable, soft, frizz-free. I mean, all the adjectives that you can use to describe a really nice silky smooth hair, you're gonna get that using this hair mask. And by the looks of it, you guys can probably tell how much I love and enjoy using this bad boy on my hair. I like to use a hair mask instead of a conditioner, and I feel like that's the best decision that I've done for my hair. You do get quite a lot of product in here. I've been religiously using this for more than 2 months if I'm not wrong, and I still have a lot of product left, and a little definitely goes a very long way. I don't even use a hair serum whenever I use this hair mask. I mean, just imagine how manageable it makes your hair that you don't even end up using a serum later on. You need to try this because it is that good. The next product I want to talk about is this guy right here. This is the Sugar Citrus Cut Real Brightening Peel. This bad boy launched I think last month, and Sugar was kind enough that they sent this to me in PR, and I was able to try this bad boy before it launched. And this guy right here has become a part of my skincare routine. Has like a thick serum kind of a texture. It absorbs into your skin, and once it's absorbed, you're supposed to rub it in your skin, and then your skin will literally start peeling. It is gross, but it's also very satisfying at the same time. Once you are done using this, you will get like an instant glow to your face. So this is one of those quick fix kind of products. Skin is feeling dull and you want to exfoliate. This is something that you can definitely use. I like to use this on my armpits. I like to use this on my neck, my face, my feet, any areas which looks dull and needs a little bit more TLC. That's when I like to use this bad boy. The spray on this one, I'm gonna be honest, is not great. So do not spray this directly on your face because it's gonna get all over and it's very messy. So spray a little bit on your hand, apply it wherever you want to, and then you'll be good to go, and that way it will also not be very messy. So yeah, highly recommend you guys checking this one out. Whatever products that I'm mentioning in this video, like always, will be mentioned in my description. So yeah, check it out in case if you are interested in any of these products. The next product is this moisturizer by Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Skin RX Spot Correct 5% Niacinamide Moisturizer. This also has SPF 15 in it. When I saw Nykaa launch this moisturizer, I was quite intrigued only because it said it has niacinamide in it. And when I looked into the ingredients and I saw that it has no fragrance in it, I was like, you know what? Take my money. And oh my god, this is such a great moisturizer. I can't speak today. And this is such a great moisturizer, you guys. It is one of those moisturizers which will work on all skin type. Maybe not for people who are extremely dry. It feels extremely lightweight on your skin. It absorbs into your skin beautifully. It doesn't even peel, you guys. It has no fragrance in it, guys. No fragrance. Can you imagine? Nykaa did this. I do not prefer fragrances in my skincare, so I really appreciate that no fragrance aspect in this one. It does have an SPF 15 in it, but do apply sunscreen on top of this moisturizer because SPF 15 is not going to protect you from this tube light that I have on. So yeah, SPF 15 is not enough. Definitely recommend topping it off with a sunscreen. I love using this in the morning. It hasn't clogged my pores. It has done anything of those sort. If you're looking for a moisturizer for this hot and humid season which will moisturize your skin nicely but not make it oily, this one is a great option, you guys, and it is also very affordable. So highly recommend you guys checking this moisturizer out by Nykaa. This is the Earth Rhythm Cica Gel. This bad boy has been a savior. If you saw my vlog, like the recent Delhi vlog that that I did, my face was breaking out quite a lot. I don't know what it was, but my face was definitely going through some shit. And I solely relied on this gel right here by Earth Rhythm. So this gel right here has Centella asiatica, it has ginseng, and it also has calendula, which helps calm your skin in case if it's going through any kind of irritation. In case if I'm ever using any actives like salicylic acid or anything of those sort, I used to top it off with this gel so that my skin does not get even more irritated than it actually is. And it worked beautifully, you guys. It helped calm down any kind of irritation that my face had. Even though I've been using it religiously, there's still a lot of product left. So if you are someone who's dealing with a lot of skin irritation, or if you are someone who has more of a sensitive skin type, do invest in this gel because it's gonna work wonders on your skin. It has quickly become a staple in my collection, and if I run out of this product, I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. I love it. So there you go, guys. Those were all my monthly favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments down below in case if you've tried any of these products that I mentioned in today's video. I would love to know. Yeah, that's all for this video, you guys. If you guys have made it till here, thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.